So good evening everyone. In this video we're going to tackle about the Auth 2.0. Before I'm going to start start the process to create this. So let me introduce first what is the Auth 2.0. So when we call that open standardization is the framework that allows third-party application to access a user's data on another service without exposing their login credentials. So they have a key points in here. So we have authentication, not authentication, or it provides secure delegates access, allowing apps to act on users' behalf with their permissions. The second one is the token base, so accessing granted through tokens rather than sharing username and password. The third one is the use cases. So it's widely used for sign in with Google or the Facebook or for app to access API security. The last one is the rules. So rules they have four here we have resource owner, client, authorization service, and source server. So as you can see in my interface, they have a social technologies. So social technologies website or the face developer.facebook.com. So the first one we're going to use is the click the my app. So in here I already finished to log in my FB account in here. So if you're not wala pa naka-register sa diri nga website, so you must be follow the process to log in here. So the next one we're going, as you can see the interface, we're going to create this create create app. So the next one we're going to app name. So in our activity we're going to say that the name claims app. Then here maybe dili na ma-use ang ako ang phone number, so I use my Gmail account. Marvin. Okay, that, um, So sorry there's a background ng mga noises. So the next one we're going to check the others to make it proceed. The next one is in here we have two choices. So we're going to click the consumer. The next, so create an app. Then we're already done to create app rather. Loading. So in here, in the as we go there, the create app, we're going to the apps heading and press the basic. So as you can see in my the app setting interface in basic, we have app ID and also app secret. So we're going to show this one. The next one, we're going to done this. We're going to go to the Postman app. So as you can see in here, we're going to open. So the next one, we're going to go to one site or is we call the access token for Meta Technologies. So we're going to, as you can see in here, ganing app access token si place nato ni para madto sa mo largo ta diri. So as you can see in here, nakita nato ang query or the URL for para sa ato ang postman. So we're going to copy this one. Na the next one, mag-create tag in the sa postman app di we're going to new tab ta. So put na to ang URL diri we're going to paste. So dapat kaning mga URL we're going to one line only. So must be delete kaning mga one. So the next one, so you can see in here, nakita nato ang your app ID. So na ni sa ato ang sa claim app. So we're going to copy this ID, then go to then paste in here. Also the app secret. So we're going to copy this on this one again, then put in here. So we're going done to put all the needed. We're going to send. So as we can see in the access token in here. So the next step we're going to do is go to the overview. So in here we're going to find again the field para makuha po nato tong access katong one URL nga needed. So as we can see, the fields are node properties. So when you query the node or an age, it returns set of field by default as example above shows. So to make it short, makita na nato diri ang kaning ato ang URL nga needed. So we're going to copy again, then back to the post one, then we're going to new tab again and paste the URL. So as we can see in here, nakuha na nato diri. So napud tay ginatawag nga access token. So kaning access token gihatag na ni in the first league, which is na diri which is kani. So we're going to copy this and put in here. So the next one we're going to do is in here in the URL na nakabutang diri nga user ID. So I want to use my user ID in FB to make it the result or para makuha jud nato nga result kung ako abad jud ay ning FB. So the next one we're going to various the ID. Copy, then go back again, then change, then send. So as you can see in here, na kuha niya ang ato ang name and also the all needed in here. So and now we see that we receive all details, the response details. That's all for this video. I hope you have an small learning about my small tutorial and also about the O 2.0. And that's all. Thank you.